Rimac Nevera Hypercar facts. The Rimac Nevera is rewriting what an electric hypercar can do. Do you think electric cars can be this exciting? Comment yes or no. It runs 4 electric motors that produce a mind-blowing 1,914 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour, just 1.74 seconds, absolutely unreal. It demolishes the quarter mile in only 8.58 seconds flat. Top speed is a crazy 258 miles per hour for an EV. The car is built around a carbon fiber monocoque for strength and lightness. Only 150 units exist and cost about $2.4 million. Rimac even partnered with Bugatti to shape the future of hypercars.